Sorry, but we're invited.
Yeah, invited to destroy everything.
Game, let's go. Game.
Okay sa yun? Oh, Angel, you're here too. Buda na lang may isa pang paint. Kakulay mo na si Lady Brighton, Angel! Pwede mo na siyang palitan. Oh my gosh. Charm!
Charm naman.
Ano naman bang ginagawa mo kay Angel at Zion? Oh, may special guest din pala tayo. My so-called loyal best friend pero backstabber pala. Why are you here? Tutulungan mo na naman ba sila? Subukan mo lang mag-FO na talaga tayo. Come on, boys!
Losers.
Angel, Zion, maling-mali itong ginawa ni Charm. Kukuha ako ng tulong. Diyan lang kayo.
Sorry.
Pwede po bang pa-help? Nabuhusan po sila ng paint. Nasa ADR po sila.
Sige, sige. Ako nang bahala.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Calix, ano na next move natin kay Angel?
May paper na pinapagawa si Ma'am Dragona. What if gagawin nating AI, plagiarize content kay Angel?
Genius! That would get her expelled.
Seryoso ba kayo, ha? Talagang hindi niyo titigilan si Angel? Hindi ba kayo naawa sa kanya? Palibhasa kasi hindi niyo pa nakikilala si Angel.
Addie! What the hell are you doing here? Hindi ba dapat si Angel ang kasama mo? Dahil bumaliktad ka na?
Hindi masamang tao si Angel.
Pinaya niya ako, Addie. You know that.
Calix! Hindi si Angel ang gumawa ng edited video na pinost sa class GC, okay?
What? What are you saying, Addie?
It was me and Charm.
Are you playing with me? Account ni Angel. Yung nag-send ng edited video sa GC natin.
Calix, please, it was me. Charm and I planned everything, okay? Ako yung nag-hack sa school CCTV, ako yung nag-edit ng video, at ako yung nag-post sa GC.
I have a plan, Adi. I'll make sure that Calix will hate Angel forever after this. Let's put your hacking skills to the test.
May gusto ka ba kay Angel?
What kind of stupid question is that, Charm? Of course, meron.
Ipopost ko to sa GC natin sa section, Lara, for everyone to see. The truth is, inutusan lang naman ako ni Charm na gawin yun eh. But the only reason why I did that is because Charm is my best friend and I didn't want to disappoint her. Pero sobra na tong ginagawa niyo, mali na to.
You expect us to believe you, Addie? Ha? Talaga?
What game are you playing, Addie? Pinagloloko mo ba ako?
Here. Ayan yung text sa akin ni Charm. Nagagawin namin yun kay Angel. She wanted you to hate Angel, Calix. Kung may dapat kang parusahan, that's me and Charm.
Shucks, nagkamali tayo ng akala, Calix.
Maling-mali.
Kung ano-ano pa ginawa ko kay Angel.